Hello, welcome to our channel Learning Fun Zone. My name is Harshada and let us start with today's video.
Today we are going to learn how to play sound for a sprite. Let's learn a new program for playing a sound using the play sound block. So let us create a new program. We are choosing the default sprite. Now drag a block, that is when this sprite clicked, from the events category to the scripting area. This is the events category when this sprite is clicked. Now we have to choose a sound from the Scratch library to upload it from your sound file. This is the sound. You can add this sound. So from the sound category. Let me try to test this program where we have to click on the sprite. Great, isn't it? Try such programs. Adding the sound. Let us learn the code changing a sprite's costume using the next costume block. Now we have to choose the sprite that has multiple costumes. So this is the default sprite. We can go and click on the costumes for this one. So this has two costumes, costume 1 and costume 2. Drag the forever block from the control category to the scripting area. So let us go to the control category. This is the forever block. Now inside the forever block, we have to add a next costume block from the looks category. So let us go to the looks category. We have to select next costume. So let me drag it over here. Now add a weight block from the control category inside the forever block. So inside the control category, we have to add the weight block, attach it next to the next costume. We can set the value of weight block to a smaller number such as 0.1 second. This will determine the speed at which the sprite changes the costumes. So we can try to run this code. Now we can see that the sprite should run and it is changing the costumes continuously. It's fun, right? Let me stop. I'm making a sprite jump using the change Y block. So let us click on create. You drag the when this sprite is clicked block from the events category to the scripting area. When the sprite will be clicked, the program will start running. Inside the when the sprite click block, Add a change Y block from the motion category. There is a motion change. Set the value of the change Y by block to a positive number such as 50. This will determine the height of the sprite's jump. Add a weight block from the control category inside the when this sprite is clicked block. Set this weight as 0.1. This will determine the speed at which the sprite jumps. Now test the program by clicking sprite. The sprite should jump when clicked. Amazing, isn't it? So try this program. Thank you. Let's learn today making a sprite disappear and reappear using the hide and show blocks. Using the default sprite, and we'll create a new script for it now. Now drag a when the sprite is clicked block from the events category to the scripting area. Block. Inside this block, add a hide block from the looks category. This is the hide block. Add a weight block from the control category inside sprite when the sprite is clicked. Go to the control and the weight. Set the value of the weight block to a smaller number such as 0.5 seconds. This will determine the amount of time that the sprite is hidden. Inside the when the sprite is clicked block, add a show block from the looks category. This program by clicking the sprite. The sprite should disappear for a moment and then reappear. Great. You can try this code into your games. Disappear and then again reappears. I will save this as this.
Let's learn how to change the color of the sprite and rotate it.
See. Program. We'll use the default sprite and we'll create a new script for it. Drag the forever block from the control category to the scripting area. Forever. Now inside this forever block, add a turn block from the motion category. Set the value of the turn block to a positive or negative number such as 15 or minus 15. This will determine the speed and direction of the sprite's spin. I will keep it as 15. Add a set color block from the looks category inside the forever block. Go into the looks. change the color by 25. Wow, this is superb. Sprite is spinning and changing color continuously. Let's stop and see. Let us learn making a sprite bounce off the edges of the screen using the if on edge bounce block. So let us start creating the project. We will choose the default script for it. Now drag the when green flag click block from the events category to the scripting area. So this is this events category. We will click on the green flag. Now add a forever block from the control category. This is the control category. We will click on the forever block. Now inside the forever block, we have to add move 10 steps block from the motion category. Now we can test this flag program by clicking the green flag. The sprite should move continuously. So let us try. Alright. Now add an if on edge bounce block from the motion category inside the forever block below the move 10 steps block. Now let me go to the motion category. We have to see if on edge bounce block. Now we can test the program again. Now the sprite should move and bounce off the edges of the screen. So let me try to run this. Okay, so it is bouncing at the edge of the screen. Thanks for watching till the end. Isn't it? Please take a moment to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Let's spread the coding joy together.